Did you know that every single interaction that you have today with the world around you, with other people, every single interaction that you have with the world will help to change or shape or mold your brain? Every single one. Every single positive interaction you have with somebody, every single positive thing that you say to yourself, to somebody else, every compliment you give to somebody changes your brain, changes the way that it works. And our brains change and adapt to every situation. If you do something more than once, your brain is changing to do that better. So do a lot of really positive, creative, smart, great things every day, and your brain will adjust to that so it can do it better and better and better and better every day that goes on. In the same way that you can exercise your body and make it stronger in a gym, you can exercise your brain and make it work better every single day.